Hi, everyone. It's AP Sutar from Math and Science High School. And I wanted to come on here to speak to you about our upcoming parent-teacher conferences. So our parent-teacher conferences are this week. Thursday, November 17th from 5:30 to 8 p.m. is our evening conference. And Friday, November 18th from 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. is our afternoon conference. So we hope you can join us. And I wanted to show you how you can sign up using teacherreacher.com. So the first thing you want to do is go to teacherreacher.com and you will see a sign up option. Sign up menu link. You are going to click the sign up link and you're going to enter your email address. Make sure it's one that you have access to easily so that you can retrieve your password if necessary. You're going to enter your first and last name. You're going to enter your phone number. You're going to enter a unique password only for Teacher Reacher, and you're going to confirm that password. When it asks you to select your district, select our school, Mathematics, Science, Research, and Technology High School. Then you're going to check the reCAPTCHA, which is the I'm not a robot button. But they changed the system. There is no activation email. Once you sign up this way, you will be able to go right into the system and then you can log in. Now, if you already have an account with us, then all you need to do is log in and use the username and password, which is the email that you signed up with and whatever password you created. If you forgot your password, you can always click forgot password and it will send you a reset link. Once you're in, you want to go to My Students. Click on that, and you're going to enter your child's name the same way that you registered your student in our school. You're going to select our school again, enter the child's student ID or date of birth, and then you're going to click submit. Okay, and if you need to do this for multiple children, that's what you would do. Once you go there, you'll be able to see the current students and you'll see what grade they're in. You click on that and that's how you know now that you're in and you're able to make an appointment. So to schedule an appointment, you now click on the event. So you have to choose if you'd like to come to the evening conference on the 17th or the afternoon conference on the 18th. And you're going to click on that event. You're going to click schedule appointment. And you can view the appointment for up to 6 teachers at a time. Click next to, the check mark next to a teacher's name. Click the continue button, and that will now take you into a screen where you could choose your times. Okay. Each appointment is 6 minutes long. It's enough time to just quickly go over your child's progress and how they're doing in school. So if you need more time, you can always ask the teacher to make a separate appointment for a phone conference, or if you'd like to come in, we do that as well. So you click on the time. When the time slot is clicked, then that's how you confirm the appointment. If you choose the time by mistake, all you need to do is press the X and it will take it off, and then you can click another time that's better. Once you're done, you click the done button and you're scheduled for those teachers. If you need to add more teachers, add more times, then you go back and you do it the same way. Okay. This is what it looks like. You would have a list of upcoming appointments and it will tell you the teacher's name. This is a virtual conference, so be prepared to click the night of the conference on a Zoom link that will be up next to the teacher's name. So you'll receive a message. If you go to important messages, you'll see meet the teachers. You'll be able to see the link for each teacher and the time of your conference. You click on that link and you'll automatically be connected to the teacher for your conference. We hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, you can always email me at hacha-satar@masths.org. Again, we look forward to a wonderful virtual experience for our first parent-teacher conferences of the year. We hope to see you. We hope you can join us. And please let us know if you need any support. As always, have a wonderful day.